Hey everybody, I'm gonna cut up a pineapple. It's one of my favorite things to do. Not one of my favorite things to do, one of my favorite fruits. Hey everyone, today I'm gonna cut up a... Alright, let's cut up a pineapple. Pineapple's one of my favorite fruits. I think they can be a little intimidating sometimes to cut up. So I'll show you how I do it. Cut the top off. I tend to look for a pineapple that's got a little bit of this yellow and light green. The dark green means it's not quite ripe yet. See with the brown and the yellow here? That means it's really ripe. So this one's probably going to be really sweet. And just take the sides and start going down. I did wash this pineapple, by the way. I'll just rinse it under a little bit of water, just to be safe. If I just do thin strips like this, all you're really trying to do is get the skin off and leave a little tiny bit of these little pits. Take those out. It's really good to use a really big sharp knife for this. I knew this was going to be a good one. That discoloration that you may see, that kind of brownish yellow, I'm telling you, that's the way to do it. That's the good pineapple there. This. I'll go back in and just kind of trim out some of these little bottom pieces. Take the bottom off. It's got this pit in the middle. I think that's what makes it intimidating. People are usually, it's pretty hard. It's not really that edible. I mean, I don't want to eat it. So I take on the side right here. My first cut is going to be just to the right of this core. So we're going to cut pretty much just straight down this way. As you can see, the way we cut. Now, I'm just going to rotate it. It's going to be just a little off to the side. A little bit off to the side. And look at that. Another just giant, amazing looking piece of pineapple. Little quarter turn. That's it. Discard. So I like to just kind of cut it like this. Ooh, real slippery. Grab a storage, put this in the fridge. It's like the ultimate snack and probably one of the best, healthiest desserts you could have. Super sweet, full of fiber, vitamin C, all kinds of really good stuff. These little ones are perfect for snacking.